Hey there, sneaker enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to TDC Daily Life, where we dive deep into the stories that shape our world. Today, we're lacing up for an incredible journey through time, exploring the legendary Adidas brand. But before we kick things off, here's a quick question to get your gears turning. What year was Adidas officially founded? Keep that in mind as we unravel this fascinating tale. Alright, let's rewind the clock to post-World War II Germany. Picture this. A small town called Herzogenaurach, where a passionate shoemaker named Adolf Adi Dassler had a dream. In 1949, amidst the rubble of a war-torn nation, Adi laid the foundation for what would become a global sportswear empire. But here's the kicker. Adidas wasn't just born out of nowhere. It was the culmination of years of craftsmanship, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of athletic excellence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, wasn't there something before 1949? You're absolutely right. And that brings us to our first brain teaser of the day. What was the name of the company Adi Dassler ran with his brother before Adidas? Take a moment to ponder that while we dive deeper into the Adidas story. From those early days, Adi Dassler had a crystal-clear vision: to create shoes that would help athletes push their limits and achieve the impossible. It wasn't just about making footwear. It was about engineering victory. With calloused hands and an inventor's mind, Adi crafted each pair with meticulous attention to detail. Little did he know that his humble workshop would give birth to a brand that would eventually outfit Olympic champions and football legends alike. Speaking of football, did you know that Adidas played a crucial role in one of the most iconic moments in World Cup history? In 1954, the German national team, wearing boots specially designed by Adi Dassler, achieved what many thought impossible. They defeated the unbeatable Hungarian team in the final, an event now known as the Miracle of Bern. But here's your next challenge. Can you name the revolutionary feature of those boots that gave the German team an edge? As we move through the decades, Adidas continued to innovate and expand. The introduction of the iconic three stripes in the 1960s wasn't just a design choice. It became a symbol of athletic prowess and street style. But Adidas didn't stop there. They constantly pushed the boundaries of what sportswear could be. From revolutionary track spikes to game-changing football boots. Now, let's fast forward to more recent times. Adidas has grown from a small German workshop to a global powerhouse, adorning the feet of athletes and fashion enthusiasts alike. But with great success comes great responsibility, and this is where our story takes an inspiring turn. In recent years, Adidas has embraced a new challenge: sustainability. It's no secret that the fashion industry has a significant environmental impact. But instead of shying away from this reality, Adidas decided to tackle it head-on. They've pioneered the use of recycled materials, creating high-performance gear that doesn't cost the earth. Here's a question for all you eco-warriors out there. Can you guess what percentage of polyester used in Adidas products is recycled? The answer might surprise you and give you hope for a greener future in fashion. But Adidas didn't stop at recycling. They've taken their commitment to the planet even further by introducing vegan-friendly options and animal-free designs. It's a bold statement that you don't need to compromise on performance or style to protect our furry, feathered and scaled friends. This shift towards sustainability isn't just a marketing ploy. It reflects a growing awareness that our choices, even in something as seemingly simple as buying a pair of sneakers, can have far-reaching impacts on the natural world. By choosing ethical production methods and supporting conservation efforts, Adidas is showing that a global brand can lead by example. Now, here's a tricky one for you. Can you name 3 Adidas product lines that specifically focus on sustainability? Take a moment to think about it. The answer showcases just how committed the brand is to this cause. At TDC Daily Life, we believe that stories like Adidas's journey inspire us to aim higher. Not just in our personal achievements, but in how we interact with the world around us. It's a reminder that true success isn't just measured by victories on the field or the number of shoes sold. It's about the positive mark we leave on the world. As we wrap up our journey through the history of Adidas, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a leader in sustainable sportswear, let's reflect on the bigger picture. Adidas's story teaches us that innovation isn't just about creating the next big thing. It's about constantly evolving, adapting to new challenges, and finding ways to make a positive impact. Before we say goodbye, here's one last question to ponder. What do you think the next big innovation in sustainable sportswear might be? Will it be completely biodegradable sneakers? Shoes that generate energy as you walk? or something we haven't even imagined yet. Remember, every step we take, whether in Adidas shoes or not, is a chance to move towards a better future. So, lace up, step out, and make your mark. For yourself, for others, and for the planet we all share. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the history of Adidas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more fascinating stories from TDC Daily Life. Until next time, keep striving, keep innovating, and keep caring for our world. See you in the next video.